Welcome to the 22 Lions Podcast, your daily blueprint for writing, publishing, and profiting from books. Today, we dive into metadata mastery, 5 steps to optimize keywords, categories, and backend fields so Amazon can actually find and recommend your book. Imagine this. You launch with a great cover, a polished copy, and a modest ad budget. Then nothing. Your book sits invisible in search, and the sales you expected never materialize. That lost revenue, it's real, and it's avoidable. Today, I'll show you the 5 targeted metadata moves that change that story fast. Here's the roadmap. Step 1, keywords. How to research and build intent-focused keyword sets. Step 2, categories. Pick the right visible niches and request Amazon category changes safely. Step 3, backend fields and blurbs. Where to put search terms versus conversion copy. Step 4, series and ASIN strategy. Concentrate relevance signals. Step 5, monitor, test, and iterate with a 90-day cadence. Stay with me for a 15-minute audit you can run now and a short case that proves these moves work. First, let's define metadata the practical way. Metadata is every piece of text and selection on your product page and in KDP backend that tells Amazon what your book is about and who will buy it. That includes title and subtitle signals, the blurb, BISAC or category choices, 7 backend keyword slots on KDP, series metadata, and even how other ASINs link to yours. These pieces work together. Search uses exact and semantic matches, while recommendation systems rely on concentrated relevant signals. Fix one and you help. Fix them all and you compound discoverability.
Let's break this down. Step 1. Keywords. Start by splitting keywords into intent buckets: informational, problem-solving, and commercial. Seed terms come from your category, reader language, and Amazon autocomplete. Then expand with long-tail phrases that show buying intent, like how to write a nonfiction book outline or best productivity books for writers. Use an AI-augmented prompt to generate 50 targeted candidates. Provide 3 seed terms, specify buyer intent, and ask for 50 long-tail variants focused on Amazon search phrasing. I run that prompt, export results to a spreadsheet, then score for volume and competition.
A practical tip. Prioritize keyword phrases you can insert naturally into your subtitle or first 200 characters of the blurb. That area is high value for both search and conversion. But don't jam keywords into customer-facing copy in a way that hurts readability. The backend fields exist for the dense search terms.
Step 2. Categories. Pick one tight primary bisect and 1 or 2 niche categories that match your reader's intent. Then request Amazon category changes through KDP. Do it conservatively. Use this checklist. 1. Demonstrable fit. Show table of contents or sample chapter that matches the category. 2. Select categories where the top sellers are similar in scope and audience. 3. Avoid overbroad categories where competition will bury you. If Amazon denies a request, pause and document your current settings so you can try a different angle.
2 quick category hacks. Use niche BISAC codes that describe the reader's problem rather than the author's method, and when possible, add those niche phrases into your subtitle to reinforce category signals on the product page. Those small overlaps create consistent signals across title, category, and backend fields. Section 3 and 4. Backend fields, descriptions, series, and ASIN strategy. These are the tactical concentration plays that move discoverability from accidental to intentional.
Step 3. Backend fields and descriptions. Use the 7 KDP keyword slots to house search-focused phrases that didn't fit naturally in your blurb. Avoid repeating single words across slots. Instead, use distinct multi-word phrases. In the blurb, lead with conversion language and 1 high-priority keyword phrase within the first 150 to 200 characters. Reserve commercial intent words like buy, best, guide, step by step, where they help conversion in visible copy, and use the backend for technical or alternate phrasings.
People ask whether repeating keywords across title, subtitle, blurb, and backend is bad. The short answer, reinforce, don't spam. Repetition matters when it's natural and signals the same reader problem. Over-optimization that harms readability will kill conversion, and conversions feed Amazon's rank signals. Keep the front-facing copy selling. Keep the back-end working the search engine.
Step 4. Series and ASIN strategy. If you have multiple titles, use a consistent series title and series metadata to concentrate relevance. Link product pages to each other in descriptions and within. Look inside when possible. Tasteful cross-promotion concentrates category signals and click-throughs. For standalone books, occasionally run limited promotions to boost activity and funnel reviews to the ASIN you want to raise. The idea is to consolidate relevance rather than scatter it across indistinct entries.
Now a short anonymized case study. A business nonfiction author with a live title saw negligible organic traffic. We reworked keywords into intent buckets, added a buyer-focused phrase into the subtitle, moved 7 distinct long-tail phrases into the backend, and requested 2 niche category changes. Within 90 days, organic sales stabilized and Kindle Unlimited page reads tripled. The key wasn't a single miracle tweak. It was aligning title signals, categories, backend, and cross-linking, so Amazon and readers saw the same promise. Section. Step 5. Monitor, test, iterate. Metadata is not a set-it-and-forget-it play. It's a 90-day experiment cycle.
Track these KPIs: organic sales rank movement, impressions and click-through rate on the product page, conversion rate on the blurb, and KU page read velocity if enrolled. Run simple A/B tests where possible. Change subtitle phrasing for 2 weeks and compare impressions. Swap a high-volume back-end phrase with a niche long tail and watch rank changes over 30 days. Document every change and allow 14 to 30 days to evaluate impact before pivoting.
Immediate action. Your 15-minute metadata audit. 1. Open your Amazon product page and capture current title, subtitle, first 200 characters of blurb, categories, and KDP backend fields. 2. Run 3 quick checks. Does your subtitle contain a buyer intent phrase? Do your backend slots have distinct multi-word phrases? Are your categories niche appropriate? 3. Pick the one highest impact fix, subtitle tweak, or one backend slot swap, and implement it. That single change will tell you whether you're on the right track. Recap. 5 steps. Keywords, categories, backend and blurb alignment, series/ASIN concentration, and a 90-day monitoring cadence. Do the 15-minute audit now. Prioritize fixes by likely conversion impact, and always pair metadata changes with a blurb or cover check before major promotions.
If you want help operationalizing this, we run focused metadata audits that produce a prioritized implementation plan, keyword lists formatted for KDP, recommended BISACs, subtitle options, and a 90-day test plan. Build the system, then scale the wins. Write it, publish it, profit from it.
If you want a professional metadata audit and implementation plan tailored to your titles, visit 22lions.com/publish or reach out to our publishing team. We'll run the audit, deliver prioritized changes, and help implement them across KDP and retail pages so you stop leaving discoverability on the table. Publish like a pro. Profit like a lion. That's your step-by-step system for today. Apply it and watch your author business grow. Thanks for joining the 22 Lions podcast. See you tomorrow for another practical publishing play. Publish like a pro. Profit like a lion.